So here we are. This is Charlie. He's just been fed. Let's say hello, Charlie. Just trying to see if we can wind him now. Got a feeling he might be a little sick, which is why we just got the towel up there. Let's have a kiss from Mum. Wonder if we have any more sneezes. We had some sneezing a minute ago. Let's have a little look around. What's going on, he's thinking? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh.
Alright, well, you want to go and have your bath? You want to go and have your bath with your dad?
Bath time. You're going to come with your dad.
Dad's going to take you to have a little bath. Come on.
There you go.
There he
No
is.
sneezing or anything. Just getting ready for his bath. There's going to be a bit of crying, I think, when we have the bath, isn't there? There is.
Alright.
That'll do.